Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Gibson again, and we're going to be doing our sounds of numbers. So last time when we did this, we only knew our numbers to 5. This time we're learning our numbers to 10. So we're going to work on listening and counting as we listen. So if you remember last time, I had to drop things into this bucket and you had to count them, and then I wanted you to write down your guess. You're going to do the same thing this time, okay? So I've got some fun things in my jacket pocket that we are going to be listening to the sounds and counting them. So the first thing that I've got, let's see, it's like a Mary Poppins jacket, kind of. I've got some pens and I've got to make sure I get them all out. Let's see. And we're going to count them so that we know how many could go into the bucket. Okay, so let's see. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have one more? Nope, 9. So you know that I will only drop up to 9. So could you guess 10? No. Could you guess 11? Nope. The biggest number that you could guess is 9. So let's listen and close your eyes and let's guess how many I'm going to drop in this bucket. Ready? That one was tricky. Okay, open your eyes and I want you to think about it. Miss Gibson won't make the next one as tricky, I promise. Let's see. What was your guess? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I dropped 7 pins into the bucket. That one was tricky. Okay, let's see what else I've got in my jacket pocket. Oh, so in my classroom, I have a writing table, and at our writing table, I like the students to draw beautiful illustrations, but sometimes I put fun things in there, like rainbow crayons. So I've got these big, bulky rainbow crayons that I've melted, and let's see how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you know that the biggest number that I could drop in this bucket, a number of crayons, is 7. Okay? Close your eyes and let's listen. How many do you think I dropped? If I tell you I have 1 in my hand, does that give you a clue? Let's count them. Let's see how many I have inside the bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There were 6 rainbow crayons in that bucket. These kind of fill up my jacket. Okay, the next thing, I'm hoping you can hear it. We're gonna have to listen well. I couldn't fit these in my jacket pockets, but I've got my storytelling wands. Okay, these make such soft noises. Let's listen. See, it's so quiet. So let's count how many I have in my bucket or in my little basket to see how many I could drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know the largest number that I could drop in here is 8. Okay, close your eyes because this one's going to be hard for me to keep it a secret from you as to how many I drop. Okay. Listen quietly, carefully. Okay, you can open your eyes. How many do you think I dropped in the bucket? How many are in my basket? So that means I dropped all of them. Do you remember how many I told you I had? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the last thing that we're going to be counting are some popsicle sticks. Okay, so let's see how many I have so that we know what our greatest number could be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so 10 is the biggest number. I think I'm going to do this one twice to see how many you are going to count. Okay, close your eyes and listen. Okay, you can open your eyes. How many do you think I dropped? I've got 2 left in my hand. Let's count how many are in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I dropped 8. Okay, this is going to be our last one. I want you to make sure you're listening. I'll even scoot a little bit closer. Okay, ready? Let's count. Close your eyes. Okay, you can open them. My hands are empty. Do you know how many that means are in there? If you said 10, you were right. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy doing sounds of numbers with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.